In this video, we'll be adding leading zeros to an integer using the format method. Suppose I've got a number that's a variable called number assigned the integer value 42 that I'd like to be displayed as 00042. Now we can do that by using the format method. So I'm going to declare another variable called formatted number, and I'm going to assign to it the work where we have this formatted. I'll start off with a string and a placeholder where our value will be inserted. A colon to start specifying my formatting specifications. So because I wanted the number to be displayed with zeros, to be filled with zeros, I'll add 0. Next, I need to specify the total width of how long the number will be after padded it with zeros. So in this case, it's actually 5. And then I'll specify what sort of data type I'm working with. In this case, it's a D for decimal or integer. Okay, next I'll be calling, so that's a string object. I'll be calling the format method and passing in the number as an argument. Let's print out this formatted number and see what we get. So we get exactly this value. All right, displayed as. Okay, now I just want to mention that if you wanted to display this within 6 characters, it will add one more 0 to make this equal to 6. So the total would be 6. I'll bring that back to 5 and run it again. So that comes in like this. The other thing that I wanted to mention, if the number was a bigger number, like say 422, in this case, it's only going to add 2 zeros instead of 3 to keep that sort of total of 5 characters long. That's pretty much it. One more thing that I wanted to say is that the original number does not really change. That's just the formatting. So the original number remains as, sorry, that should have been printed after this, so it's a bit less confusing. The original number remains as 422. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you get to experience more with the format method, and I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.